Fuck shit bitch ass retard. You're telling me scientists finally figured out how to make sound travel in one direction? Are you kidding me? Like, what's next? Creating a world where your thoughts only work backwards? Hey, Bob, think I love you and it'll magically appear on the fridge with the words still worried about you. But seriously, this is some mind-blowing shit. You've got researchers at ETH Zurich messing around with sound waves like they're playing a game of Sonic Tetris. They've spent years trying to get it just right, and finally, bam. Waves are traveling forward only. Can you imagine the implications? No more echoes, no more background noise, no more annoying neighbors who won't stop talking. And let me tell you, this has everything to do with how we live our lives, folks. I mean, think about it. We're all just waves, man, chaotic, unpredictable, and totally out of control. But what if we could harness that energy to create something truly revolutionary? Like, imagine a world where your voice is the only thing that can travel backwards. Hey, Bob, I just called you, but you won't hear it until you call me back. Boom. And don't even get me started on the potential applications. We're talking advanced communication systems, radar technology that actually works, and maybe even some kind of sonic shield to protect us from all the BS we put out into the world. It's like science is saying, you know what? We've had enough of this democracy of sound nonsense. From now on, it's either my wave or no wave at all. This is some next level stuff, folks. I mean, who needs control when you can just let the waves do their thing?